Did you know most drivers don't realize their headlights are slowly blinding them until it's almost too late? Seriously, by the time headlights turn cloudy and yellow, you're already losing a massive amount of light on the road, sometimes up to 90%. And that's terrifying when you think about night driving, rain, or highways. This isn't just a cosmetic problem or a nice-to-fix someday issue. It's a safety problem that quietly sneaks up on you. UV rays, pollution, road salt, and debris are constantly beating up that plastic lens. And before you know it, your headlights look like they've aged 20 years. Replacing them can cost a small fortune. But here's the good news. You don't need new headlights. You need the right restoration kit. Today, I'm putting the best headlight restoration kits head-to-head, comparing power, ease of use, durability, and long-term value so you know exactly which one makes sense for your car and your situation. Some are built for extreme damage, some focus on lifetime protection, and others are all about speed and convenience. All the links are in the description, so you can check prices and details after the video. Let's get into it. 6. The 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit, 3995. If your headlights are so bad, they barely resemble headlights anymore, the 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit is the nuclear option, and I mean that in the best way possible. This kit is built for severe oxidation, the kind that's thick, yellow, and deeply embedded after years of neglect. Unlike tool-free kits like XPERTCHEMY, Sylvania, or CERAKOTE, 3M leans hard into mechanical power by using a drill attachment, starting with an aggressive 500 grit to cut through the worst damage fast, then stepping up to 800 and finishing with their 3000 Trizact disc for a shockingly clear finish. This approach absolutely demolishes oxidation faster than any hand sanding kit, making it the best choice when speed and cutting power matter most. Compared to Meguiar's or Clearlight's tech, which struggle with deep pitting, the 3M Ultra doesn't hesitate. It just removes the damage. That said, power comes with responsibility. A drill means a learning curve, and if you rush or apply uneven pressure, you can overheat or unevenly sand the lens, something tool-free kits avoid entirely. Another trade-off is protection. While the included clear coat does the job, it's not as long-lasting as the ceramic or lifetime warranted coatings found in CERAKOTE or Sylvania, meaning maintenance will come sooner. So the real question is this: do you want the fastest, most aggressive restoration possible, or are you willing to sacrifice some cutting power for longer-lasting protection? For extreme cases, the 3M Ultra is unmatched, but it's best for confident DIYers who don't mind using a drill. What would you choose, raw power or long-term protection? Let me know in the comments. 5. XPERTCHEMY Headlight Restoration Kit. The XPERTCHEMY Headlight Restoration Kit takes a completely different approach, and honestly, that's what makes it so appealing. This kit is designed for everyday car owners who want strong results without power tools, stress, or a steep learning curve. Instead of aggressive drill-based sanding like 3M, XPERTCHEMY relies on controlled hand sanding using finer grits, which dramatically reduces the risk of mistakes while still delivering impressive clarity on moderately oxidized headlights. Where this kit really separates itself from Meguiar's or Clearlight's tech is the ceramic UV protection wipe. This isn't just a temporary sealant. It's a ceramic coating that chemically bonds to the plastic, offering protection that can last up to 18 months, which already puts it ahead of Meguiar's one-year coating. Compared to Sylvania and CERAKOTE, XPERTCHEMY doesn't go as aggressive on sanding, so extremely damaged or heavily pitted lenses will take more elbow grease and may not reach the same like-new clarity. However, for most cars with normal haze and yellowing, the balance here is excellent. It's faster and easier than Sylvania, safer than 3M, and more durable than Meguiar's. If convenience, tool-free use, and long-lasting protection matter most to you, XPERTCHEMY hits a sweet spot that many people overlook. Would you rather spend more time sanding or trust a ceramic coating to do the heavy lifting? Drop your thoughts below. 4. Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit. The Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit is all about confidence, commitment, and long-term peace of mind. And it shows by offering something no other kit truly matches: a lifetime warranty on its UV clear coat. That alone puts it in a different category. Unlike quick fix kits like Meguiar's or Clear Light's tech, Sylvania is a full restoration system that doesn't shy away from hard work. It includes aggressive hand sanding, starting as low as P400, which allows it to handle deeper oxidation more effectively than CERAKOTE or XPERTCHEMY right out of the box, without needing a drill like 3M. The process takes time, no way around it, but the payoff is serious clarity and protection that's guaranteed as long as you own the vehicle. Compared to 3M, Sylvania trades speed for safety and durability. And compared to CERAKOTE, it offers more aggressive sanding while still remaining tool-free. This kit isn't for someone in a rush, but if you want a one-and-done solution with no yearly reapplication and no power tools, it's incredibly hard to beat. Would you rather spend an afternoon restoring once or redo it every year? Let me know what you'd pick. 3. CERAKOTE R Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. CERAKOTE brings professional-grade ceramic technology into a surprisingly simple DIY package, and that's what makes this kit so compelling. Like Sylvania, it offers long-term protection backed by a guarantee, but instead of a traditional UV clear coat, CERAKOTE uses a ceramic compound that forms a harder, more chemically resistant layer. Compared to XPERTCHEMY, CERAKOTE's coating is tougher and more durable. And compared to Meguiar's, it's not even a fair fight in terms of longevity. The sanding starts at higher grits than Sylvania, which makes it easier and safer for beginners, but also means very severe oxidation might need extra prep. Against 3M, CERAKOTE loses in cutting power, but wins big in durability and simplicity. If you want premium protection without power tools and don't mind putting in a bit of manual effort, CERAKOTE offers one of the most satisfying finishes on this list. Is ceramic protection worth the extra effort for you? Tell me below. 2. Meguiar's two-step headlight restoration kit. Meguiar's is the fastest and most beginner-friendly option here, hands down. This kit skips sanding altogether, focusing on a cleaning compound followed by a protective coating, making it perfect for light to moderate haze. Compared to 3M, Sylvania, or CERAKOTE, it simply can't handle severe oxidation, but that's not what it's designed for. Where it shines is speed, under 15 minutes, for noticeable results and ease of use. The trade-off is durability. With protection lasting around a year, it becomes more of a maintenance solution than a permanent fix. If your headlights are relatively new or you enjoy regular upkeep, Meguiar's makes a lot of sense. But for older, heavily damaged headlights, it's not the right tool. Would you rather do quick yearly maintenance or one deep restoration? Let me know. 1. Clear Light's Tech Headlight Restoration Kit. Clearlight's tech is the definition of simplicity. This 3-wipe chemical-only system is the easiest and fastest solution on this list, making it perfect for quick touch-ups or lightly hazed headlights. Compared to Meguiar's, it's even faster, but it also sacrifices abrasive cleaning power. Against heavy hitters like 3M or Sylvania, it simply can't compete when it comes to deep damage. However, for newer cars or pre-inspection cleanups, it's incredibly convenient. Think of it as a maintenance or emergency solution, not a full restoration system. If speed is your top priority, this kit delivers. Is ease of use more important than perfect clarity for you? Final verdict and call to action. So here's the bottom line. For extreme damage, 3M Ultra dominates. For long-term, tool-free protection, Sylvania and CERAKOTE lead the pack. For speed and maintenance, Meguiar's and Clearlight's tech do the job. My top pick for most people? Sylvania. It balances repair power, safety, and lifetime protection better than anything else here. Now I want to hear from you. Which kit would you trust on your car, and why? Drop a comment below. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more car care breakdowns, and remember, all the links are in the description.